Welcome to BankProof, where we make money simple, smart, and actually useful.
Lifestyle inflation is sneaky. You get a raise, a better job, or just start making more money, and somehow you still feel broke. If your income keeps rising but your savings aren't, lifestyle inflation might be silently eating your future. Let's talk about what it is, why it happens, and how to beat it, without living like a monk. So what is lifestyle inflation? Lifestyle inflation is when your spending increases along with your income. You used to be happy with basic clothes and a cheap coffee. Now it's designer brands and a $6 latte you don't even finish. It's not about spending money. It's about automatically spending more just because you can. And the worst part? It feels normal. Your friends are doing it. Your coworkers are upgrading too, so you don't even notice you've trapped yourself in a more expensive version of the same life. There's a psychological term for this: hedonic adaptation. When you get something new, like a car or apartment, it feels amazing for a little while. Then it just becomes normal. So you chase the next upgrade and the next until you're stuck in a cycle of spending more to feel the same. Social pressure plays a role too. You get a promotion, and suddenly everyone expects you to dress better, eat at fancier places, and vacation more often. No one tells you that every upgrade becomes a financial obligation you have to maintain. So how can you beat it without feeling miserable? Here's the good news. You don't have to give up comfort or fun. You just need a plan. Tip 1. Lock in your savings rate. Every time your income goes up, increase your automatic savings and investing first, before you touch the rest. If you save 20% of a $3,000 income, keep saving 20% when you hit $5,000. Better yet, bump it to 30. Tip 2. Upgrade with intention. Don't upgrade everything at once. Pick one or two areas where an upgrade will actually improve your quality of life. If you love cooking, get the nicer kitchen setup, but maybe you don't need the luxury SUV and the $400 coat. Tip 3. Delay upgrades by 30 days. Want the new phone, watch, or furniture? Put it on a 30-day wish list. Most of the time, you'll realize you don't really want it, or you'll find a smarter alternative. Tip 4. Keep your baseline low. The trick is not letting your new lifestyle become your minimum standard. Treat upgrades as perks, not as expectations. That way, if you ever want to save more, travel more, or take a break from work, you can. Lifestyle inflation isn't evil, it's just automatic. If you can pause and make spending intentional, you'll get richer and feel happier with what you already have. Want help figuring out what's worth upgrading in your life? I made a free checklist that walks you through exactly that. It's called the Lifestyle Upgrade Checklist. Grab it in the description below.
And if this video helped, I would really appreciate you give it a like, and even more if you subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching BankProof.